What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing while Mommy went upstairs for a minute? Uh-oh.
What? Claire's been taking the eggs in. And they're Claire's actually. And they're actually ours. Claire just...
Look at Mommy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Clara? Hey, Clara, what are you doing? Clara, you taking all the eggs? Are you taking all the eggs? Are you taking all the eggs? Yes. Claire, are you taking all the eggs? Uh-oh. You shouldn't do that. You give them to Mommy. Give them to Mommy. Give it to Mom. Clara, give it to Mom. Would you like to have an egg? Yeah. You need to ask Mom. Look at Mommy's eyes. You need to ask Mom. What do you say? No, what do you say? You have to say, please, Mom. You don't climb on the counters. No. Say sorry, Mom. Okay, time to get down. Leave the eggs. No, you can't take the eggs. Say bye-bye to the eggs. Can you put the eggs down? Here, put them in this cup. Put the eggs in the cup. Say bye-bye to the eggs. They're for later, okay? Yes.